Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted anything, but I'm back now and I have a few stuff that I bought from ZARA, one thing from H&M and one jeans from I think Stradivarius. So I'm going to film a quick try on haul for you, and hopefully you like some of this stuff and you find this video helpful. And I'm going to start with this shirt that's on me, and I bought this on sale in ZARA and it was only $4, and it's this really soft material, pink with these ruffles. I usually don't wear ruffles, but I wanted to try new things and incorporate a bit more color to my wardrobe, because everything I have is either dark colors or beige or white, so I wanted to add a bit more color to my outfits. And this is the shirt. It's a bit shorter, don't mind my sweats down here, and as you can see the material is really soft. The next thing that I got, it's actually a set, and it's this top. It's a sweatshirt and a sweatpants, so top and bottom, and it's this beautiful pink color, and this is the top and this is the bottom. It has this nice top here, and on the bottom it's scrunched and it goes on perfectly. So everything that I mentioned so far is from ZARA. Also these flowy pants, I know you can't see them really well now, but I'm going to do a try on haul so you can see how they look on, and I really like them. I don't usually wear stuff like this. I usually wear jeans or I mostly wear jeans, so I don't usually wear stuff like this, but I really liked them because it has this like nice top here, and it's really a nice material. It will be perfect for the summer. So that was it when it comes to ZARA. Now we are moving on to Bershka. Bershka, how do you say? I never said it in English. And you can see the size. I hope you can see it. So these are I think they are high waist, and they are straight down on the bottom, and they do have a slit. I'm going to show you when I try them on. It's this beautiful jeans color, like blue. They're not washed out, and you can see the split on the bottom, and they are straight fit. So they are not flare or wide fit, because I feel like those fits don't look good on my body type, so I avoid buying them. These are also straight and I really like them, and they're really comfortable, and I like that they are high-waisted but not too much, so perfect fit. And the last thing that I got is this beautiful sweatshirt from H&M. It was only around maybe 20 something dollars, and it's amazing. It's so comfortable, and you can wear it in different ways, with white jeans, with the jeans I just showed, and I'm going to also try it on so you can see how it looks when you wear it. I like this, I think it's marine style, like these stripes, coastal style, I don't know. Anyway, I really like it, and I have been wearing it all the time recently because I'm again in comfortable fits. Until the spring officially comes, then I will wear more different style outfits. So yeah, that was a quick haul that I showed you guys. I hope you liked it, and I'm also going to, like I said, try all the things out so you can see for yourself how they look. Everything will be listed down below, so you can find the items easily in the online shop if you want to buy them as well. And most of my stuff is really affordable, so don't think you will be wasting a lot of money in my hauls, at least. yeah, so I'm glad to be back here. I will definitely film more content for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!